Alright, so I'm going to introduce you guys to harmonics. So pretty much, actually, let me start here. I didn't draw it out, but you would actually see a pattern on here. But I will actually show you that pattern after a few seconds. But the harmonic scatter is just it's an additional indicator that you can have, or you can actually draw it out on your own using like triangles. So you can use a triangle and pretty much draw out what you see. So it starts out pretty much X to A, B, C, and D. And where the D would actually shows, if it's confirmed, it will continue to drop. If it was on the opposite way, it would actually rise. But it's X, A, B, C, D. D leg drop. X, A, B, C, D, and then rise. And at this point, it could be a retrace. We could see more of like a W pattern, as long as it confirms the right way, and then I would see that rising. But overall, because there's a bigger pattern, I would actually confirm that as a longer term, like drop. But the indicator I have is just a harmonic scanner. Like I said, starting from here, it scans for you. X, A, B, C, D. It didn't overextend past the VC stage. It didn't overextend here. It stayed between 1.27, which is actually perfect. And now it's actually starting to fall. Even here, there's a pattern. It's a different pattern, but on the weekly, it shows that it's actually a D pattern. It didn't overextend to 2.24, and it just fell. Typically, you don't want it to go past the 0.618 area, but sometimes it will. But at the end of the day, it closed below it, and it just kept going. It almost came back, but it didn't go far or anything. So that just further confirmed that it was just going to keep dropping. And even now, I project, yes, it can come back up for a little bit. But overall, I see it dropping further. Not just because of the harmonics here, monthly, weekly, daily, there's a different one that it found, further confirming it on the 4 hour. That one right there, confirmed. As you can tell, it's giving different pattern names as well. You have the Gartley, so it labels what kind it is, the butterfly. It's still a butterfly, but it is a little bit different. And then the 4 hour, it's a Gartley. But yeah, it highlights, gives you names to actually study for on your own. If you decide you want to just draw it out on your own, try to figure out how to see these things on your own. Or you could just try to get the indicator. But it is totally optional. So if you would like to figure out how to actually get this tool for yourself, you can click the link in the description and message me directly, and I can help you do that. But if you would like to figure out how to actually draw these out on your own, I'll actually make an extra video showing you how to actually do that as well. And I'll put that link in the description after I actually finally make it. Or you could subscribe to my channel as well and give yourselves the opportunity to actually check it out when I post it, or check out my videos as well. So, if you found this video helpful and you think this strategy is something that can be useful to you, feel free to like and subscribe and comment if you have any more questions. But yeah, the harmonic scanner is actually a great tool. It's an advanced, pattern, I should call it. You can still use like head and shoulders, triangle patterns, wedges, rectangles, pennants, and all that. But if you can make it more advanced and simplify things for yourself, I say why not. But anyways, let me know what you think, and have a good one.